Okay, so today I'm going to attempt to repair this DeWalt DW087 laser level. The pendulum inside is just it keeps getting stuck, so it's not giving you a true level. And when you switch it on, it's got that flashing light just to tell you it's not level. So I'm going to see how this comes apart and see if I can maybe clean it out. I think it's just dust in there somehow getting in. So I've never took one of these apart before. But I did look before I started videoing, and it's the screws in the bottom here are a torque screw, and it's a torque number 10, T10. So let's see what we find inside here. Luckily I had a Torx 10 on this old thing I had. There's a very small hole in there, so a regular screwdriver, Torx screwdriver, it's hard to fit in. So it's easier to do this when you're not videoing, because I'm trying to show you everything that I'm doing. Maybe I'll fast forward this bit so you're not getting bored. I do have the two cats in here today. There's Eddie and Kimmy, and they're just here to make sure that I'm doing this correctly. Okay, so there's the 4 Torx screws out. Let's see how this come up. That come apart pretty easy. So the housing's just nothing in there, but I will blow that out with the air gun just to get any dust out. And then there's a seal all the way around. The seal looks intact, so I'm not sure why the dust got in there, but it did. Yeah, so I'll just give that a little blowout with some air and see if that fixes it. Okay, so I just got a little air gun here. And we'll just blow a little bit of air in, see if we can clear out all the dust. That's freaking the cats out. There you go, they're away. Just get some paper towel. I didn't see any dust, anything obvious inside there, but I guess just a little bit of dust would get caught up. It looks like it's moving around pretty freely there now. Okay. Make sure the seal is back in place, which it is. And then just put it all back together, and then I'll try it out and see if it's working. I've had this level now for, I don't know, probably going on about 18 years maybe, when this model first came out. This is the first time I've had any problem with it, so it's been a good level. I don't know if you can still buy this model, but I guess it doesn't matter which model you have, it'll be a similar process to cleaning it out. Hopefully this works, because these are about $150, maybe it's $200 now, I don't know. Where you've got it open, I don't need to do this, but if your terminals are dirty, just get a little bit of sandpaper and just clean them up. but these ones are good. Okay, I just got some new batteries. While I've got it open, I might as well put new ones in. Okay. Okay, so there's no flashing lights now, even when I rock it back and forwards. Because when I was doing this before, I would rock it one way, and the laser would stay, and it would flash to tell you it wasn't level anymore. And that's good as well. Yeah, perfect. So that's how you clean out a DeWalt DW087 laser level. Didn't take very long. First time I've took one apart. So I hope that helps. And if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Thanks and have a great day.